Problem 1. The higher the step on the podium, the higher the rank of the runner. Who finished third? Let's start from top and work out way down to see who finishes in third place. Here is the ranking so far. D is number 1. B comes in second and E comes in third. So now we are left with C and A. So we have C as 4 and A as 5. So our question is, who finished third? E finished third. Answer is option E. Problem 2. In the pictures, each dot stands for 1 and each bar stands for 5. For example, 3 dots and 1 bar stands for 8. Which picture stands for 12? Let's go step by step. Option A. This is 1 and this is 5, gives us 6. 1 and 10 gives us 11. 2 plus 2 bar, so this adds us 2 and 10, so gives us 12. This gives us 2, 1, 2, 3, 30, 32. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 gives us 34. Question states which stands for 12. Option C stands for 12. Problem 3. There are 2 holes in the cover of a book. When the book is open, it looks like this. Which pictures does Olaf see through the holes when it closes the book? We will count the grids from the left to reach the first hole. So we see 1, 2, 2, third. So when it sees a blue bike. We move again 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. 6th, 7th, and now whatever sees we look into it. So we see a yellow, orange Jeep and a tractor. Let's see which one matches with this. So we have blue bike everywhere. We get to see this. So option D is our answer. Problem 4. 3 people walked across a field of snow wearing muddy shoes. In which order did they do this? So we see this is on the top, the lines, and on top, this is the one. So we have this one on top, and then this footprint, and then this is the footprint. So we see option A with the dots, line, and then this. So answer A is our option. Problem 5. Pia makes shapes with the connected sticks shown in the picture. Which of the following shape will need more sticks than Pia has? So how many sticks Pia has? Pia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need more than 10 sticks. So let's count option A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is not what we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't need this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, we need more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This could be our answer. Let's count E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. So our answer is option D. Problem 6. Karina cuts out one piece like this from the sheet. Which piece can she get? Let's check the options. Option A has heart and a diamond, but there is nothing like this in here. So there is no option A, we take it out. Option B has a star and a spade. We do not have a star and a spade together, so this could not be an option. We have two stars in this. I do not see it's anything like that. Option D has a star and a club, and we see a star and a club, and this is where it's available. So this could be our answer. We have two hearts together. We have two hearts in this way. So this is not our answer. So our answer is option D. Problem 7. Liam put 3 cubes on the table. On top of those, he puts 2 cylinders. On top of these, he puts another cube. Which of the following images show a picture of Liam's construction? So Liam puts 3 cubes on the table and then he puts 2 cylinder. So he puts 3 cube and then 2 cylinder, and on top he puts another cube. So this seems like the correct answer. Puts 3 cubes but no cylinder. So this is not there. This is reverse. We have 3 cubes in here. This could not be possible. And then this is also reverse. So our option is A, which shows the correct arrangement of cubes and cylinder. Problem 8. What number should replace the question mark when all the calculations are completed correctly? Let's check the given calculation. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 0 plus 3 gives us 3. 1 plus 8 gives us 9. 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So our answer is option B, 5. So with this, we wrap up part A of the first 8 questions from 2019 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you can never miss a new challenge. See you in the next problem solving adventure. Stay tuned for part B of the 2019 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4.